Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another reading which is going to be for whoever needs it. If you at times wonder what is it that you really need to know right now in the current situation about this person, this connection, then this reading is definitely going to help you know the answer to that. What are the things that you need to know about this person that maybe you are unaware of? What are the things that you need to know about their true intentions for you which you are unaware of right now? You really want to know? Let's find out. Before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what is it that you should know about this person, this connection, and their true intentions about you for this connection. Let's dive into all of that. Let's begin. King of Swords, Three of Pentacles, wow, Five of Pentacles, the Strength, wow. When it comes to this person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, there is one thing that you should be aware of. Your person is somehow very different than how you are and how you want your person to be. They are somebody who is not at all expressive. They are somebody who's not at all um, they are romantic in bed, but if you expect them to be romantic otherwise, like do romantic stuff, going on walks, having a long drive and stuff like that, this person doesn't have those kind of things to offer to you. This person is definitely somebody who, it's more like when you think of this person, there are so many things that you want to do with this person and you think of them to be doing that for you, but they don't do that. You might expect them to be gifting you something special, like it doesn't have to be expensive, but yeah, you might expect this person to be romantic that way as well, but this person always fail to give you anything that you want. So this person is somebody who's very practical, like they don't like to go about love life the way you usually see in other relationships around you, or in the movies. I would say this person is somebody who's very dry and dead kind of a person. They do have sexual drive, but they are not romantic. There's a huge difference between the two of things. One more thing, this person is definitely having you on their mind, but they don't say it. Like maybe you are somebody who's very expressive, this person is exactly the opposite of you. Now for those of you who are wishing and hoping your person will change, trust me, they will never change. This person is somebody who they are, and they are going to be like that. If you can be with a person like this, stay with this person, otherwise this person will never fail to disappoint you. This is what it is. This is what they have to offer. They find it very hard to be expressive, and you have to accept this person the way they are. You cannot this person will never fail to disappoint you in romantic relationship. um, they do have a bit of a narcissist attitude at times, especially when they are dealing with shit. They are going to put every blame of the failure of this connection on you, so you have to be mentally prepared for that kind of a person as well. The person that you are dealing with that you need to know about is one more thing which could be very unpleasant for you to deal with, is your person has the tendency of ghosting you out. Maybe you recently started with this person, but trust me, this person is somebody who would need their time alone from time to time. So this person is somebody that you should let be, because the more you're going to try to mold them, change them, make them understand, the more this person is going to go aggressive, and they're going to do the things that you tell them not to do. This person is somebody who's going to go against that completely. So you need to know these, you know um, whatever you may call it, that's how your person is, and you really need to know about this. Let's find out what is it that they truly intend for you. Queen of Cups, the Sun, the Magician. Underneath the deck we do have the Page of Wands. Now when it comes to what this person really intends, they really intends to receive love from you all the time. They want to feel boost their ego. They are somebody who wants to have all the control of the connection in their hands. This person is somebody who's very controlling. They will give in to the connection as much as they want, and they will pull away whenever they want. So this person is very self-centered as well. You need to know that as well about this person. Now if you ask me what do they intend with you, nothing special as of now. This person really have you on their mind, but at the same time, like I said, this person is not how you usually would want a guy or a girl to be. This person is somebody very different, or a rare kind, I would say. They, what their intention is to be loved by you the way you love them right now. They want to feel that love all the time. Do they intend to give into something in this connection? They just want to do it when they please. So this person is definitely somebody who's very self-centered, somebody who's very selfish, somebody who's this person could be very much related to a field which occupies them all the time. So you have to be mentally, physically, emotionally prepared for that kind of a person, if you want to be with this person, because it's this person is most of the time unavailable, and you have to deal with them. What else do they intend with you? They just want to have you in their life for fun times, to be very honest. That's what it is right now. Will they ever change for you? Yes, they will end up getting your father of your babies or mother of your babies, but this person is not going to change. Like I said, they are very good in bed. They have the sexual drive, but they are not romantic the way you would want them to be. They would not do something special to please you or to surprise you or anything like that. But there is a strong chance of this person and you ending up together. Now, how to deal with this kind of person? One, don't put them on pedestal. Two, like I said, don't try to force them to do something, because the more you're going to force them to do something that you desire, they will not do that. If you want commitment from this person, try not to ask for commitment, or don't shower your love on this person. They will like it if you keep it open. Don't ask for commitment. If you are dealing with this kind of a person, trust me, this person, the do's and the don'ts are very important here, because you have to understand your person is somebody, like, even if they talk about getting married, the more you're going to show your interest. Yes, you are interested, and yes, you are so excited to get married to this person. Trust me, this person is going to change the topic like this. So if you really don't want that, you always have to pretend as if you are very okay with everything, less that you're getting. And the more you're going to accept that, the more this person is going to indulge in you and the connection. The more you are running and chasing this person, running towards this person and chasing this person, the more they're going to push you away. So if you really don't want that to happen, make sure you keep yourself busy. You have your life other than this person is in your love life, so you don't have that issues to deal with. This person and you are definitely going to end up getting married for majority of you, since it's a general reading, so it's not going to be like happening for everyone out there. But yeah, for majority of you, if you can match all the energies, if you see your person to be like this kind of a person, then there's a strong possibility of you ending up with this person. But yes, this person has a lot more control over the current situation as compared to you have. Now, coming back to the law of attraction, you are the one who's having that all coming up for you. Now, it's very important for you to understand, you see this person as very controlling. Just accept the fact that that's what you think of them. Maybe it has become a belief now, maybe you have seen that happening, but yes, you can change that. The moment you change their image in your mind and you start saying, affirming that they are, you are the one who's more controlling in this situation. They are the one who is taking, who's putting you on pedestal. He's or she is the one who's valuing you more in this connection. That's going to be the case. But somehow, with the way things have been in this connection and the way you have been through in your love life in the past, somehow your image of this person is like, ooh, they are something, like, they are something. And you are always, begging for attention, begging for love, begging for, to be with them. But that needs to change. If you really want something beautiful with them, you have to know what are the do's and the don'ts of this person and this situation, the connection that you have with this person. Stay optimistic. I feel like, since this card came upside down, so maybe you need to understand that you have to stay very positive about this situation. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance with this person. But yes, for only those of you who are positive, since it came out reversed, So maybe, for majority of you are struggling with your person because of the lack of optimistic approach towards your love life. Maybe you start feeling like, your person doesn't love you. Again, that has become a belief. You need to change that belief to get the results that you want. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Now it's very important. If this is how this person is. If you really don't think that you can deal with this kind of a person, maybe you can leave this person and walk away from this person, completely cutting ties with this person. But yes, if you really love this person and if you are a manifester, you can bring the change that you desire to see in this person. Like I said earlier, you are ultimately going to get married to this person. I don't see that this connection is going to end because you do have a lot of addiction towards this person. You find yourself to be madly in love with this person. When it comes to this person, they do have feelings for you. They do have something for you, but is it love? Is it something else? I don't know, because that's not showing up in the cards here. So maybe it's love, maybe it's their, that thing that you belong to them, or they know that you belong to them and they know that you love them so much, they're not going to let you go and they're going to marry you for that. That could be the case for some of you as well. But yeah, if you really think that this person is adding toxicity in your life, maybe it's time for you to move on. But yes, if you're a manifestor, you can definitely change this person's attitude towards you using the law of attraction techniques. And yeah, I do offer law of attraction techniques, which includes a few listed in the services that I offer. Check that. If you want any help from me around that, you can do that as well. But yes, that's pretty much it you need to know around the situation, around this connection. So till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.